Sylvania Roadsight. Installing Roadsight Stealth. Clean glass to remove any dirt, dust, and grease. Remove adhesive sticker from magnetic mount. Attach mount to glass. Position camera behind rearview mirror for a better driving experience. Connect power to mount. Grab included trim removal tool. Tuck wire. Use the included trim removal tool to tuck power cable away. Remove A-pillar and tuck wire inside. Connect USB power cable. Insert SD card into camera. Connect camera to magnetic mount. Start car to turn on camera. Pair with Sylvania Connect mobile app, compatible only with Roadsight Plus, Pro, and Stealth. Your camera automatically emits a Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings and connect to camera. Follow setup process and you're connected. Sylvania Roadsight. Travel the road with assurance.